Hey guys, today I will talk about how to reset WordPress and Hostinger if you mess up. So let's dive into this method. If you mess up your hosting due to do some changes or you mistakenly reset something in the Hostinger and it's completely vanish, then how can you reset to normal? For this, move to your Hostinger and get access to your H panel of Hostinger. Once you will get access, take a look on the left side, you can see the icon domain. In the domain, you have to select option domain portfolio. Once you will get access to your portfolio, scroll down, and here you will see all the domains which you have in the Hostinger. From these, you have to select the domain that you mess up and want to reset. Just like I will select this. Now, once you will get access to that site, take a look on the left side, you can see an icon DNS/name server, click on it. And here you can see name servers. If you are using custom name, then I will recommend you to change the name servers. Click on this option and use the Hostinger name servers, and it is the recommended setting. Click on it and tap on the option save. Once you will tap on the option save, you can see name servers changed, and it might take up to 24 hours. It will reset everything and get back to its default setting. Once you do, close it and scroll down. And here you can see the option of reset DNS records. Click on it and reset. Once you will reset DNS, everything will be reset in your Hostinger and you will get a new fresh site, and that's it.